CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.4 Given a scenario, use Microsoft Windows operating system features and tools. Performance Monitor. Performance Monitor is a Microsoft Windows utility that is used to track and analyze system performance over time. It collects data related to system resources such as the processor, memory, disk, and network usage. These measurements help identify how efficiently a system is operating and whether any components are becoming a bottleneck. To better understand how Performance Monitor works in practice, it helps to first understand how performance data is measured. The tool uses counters, which are specific metrics that track system activity. For example, processor counters measure CPU usage, memory counters track available and used RAM, and disk counters monitor read and write activity. These counters provide real-time insight into how system resources are being used. In addition to real-time monitoring, Performance Monitor also allows you to collect data over time using data collector sets. These enable you to record performance metrics and review them later, which is especially useful for diagnosing intermittent issues that may not occur consistently. Instead of trying to catch a problem as it happens, you can analyze trends and patterns after the fact. With both counters and data collection in mind, you can start to see how everything works together. Performance Monitor provides a centralized way to observe system behavior, compare resource usage, and identify abnormal activity. This makes it easier to pinpoint the root cause of issues such as slow performance, system lag, or resource exhaustion. Now that you understand how Performance Monitor is used, let's look at how to access it. To open Performance Monitor using the Windows Run dialog box, press the Windows key plus the letter R. Once the Run dialog box opens, type perfmon.msc and click OK. This command launches Performance Monitor, where you can begin viewing and collecting performance data. After opening Performance Monitor, the next step is knowing where to focus your attention. Depending on the issue, you will add and monitor specific counters. For example, high CPU usage may indicate a process consuming too many resources, low available memory may point to insufficient RAM, and heavy disk activity could signal storage performance issues. Selecting the appropriate counters helps narrow down the root cause. Finally, it's important to understand why Performance Monitor matters in an IT environment. It allows technicians to move beyond guesswork and use real data to diagnose performance issues. By analyzing system metrics and trends, you can identify bottlenecks, validate system performance, and make informed decisions about troubleshooting or upgrades. For the exam, remember that Performance Monitor is used to track system performance metrics and identify resource bottlenecks, making it essential for diagnosing slow or unstable systems. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.